rappers on stage. Simzwile Mufairani. We now have Reptile with Timo, No Jazz, who are still to go. So can we bring it this side? I've got the words, they have the lyrics. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring back the spirit. One last time, I'll shake his out and let's get for hip hop, yo! Let's bring the spirit back, yo. That's what's up.
Yeah. Sasa on the whip. Haya kuwera na kina la kale kono sana la siko.
Marimnanje lento le
Sana wa selector.
Ose kalamani.
Yeah. Tell Pulidia. Yeah.
I think it's a bit old. It's
I think I'm believing. Mix the little people Mary Jane. This is not people feeling trying to sort of Mary Jane. Cause he has a good man, I'm talking Jay. But I'm not just has a good man, I can still say. But the nigga called the vegetable. When I'm a nigga feel, put in the nigga head, I'm a vegetable. I'm this mood, the rest of that shit, I'm keeping it. I'm gonna move on to better than the other this too. Yeah. Quero ver na macama, cause eu vou na manga sem a pula na macama. Yeah, this is a pizza, but let the power make your soul in the swimming school. When I'm in flow, people put the swimming school, cause they have to with it. I'm not just saying cool, cause they are relaxer. And the man you have to put it pretty in me. Let down my material treasure. P. Diddy, we have to put it, let down my every step I take. There you go, my P. Diddy. Not to the line of say guys, it's on my shout out to everyone in my part of the teammates. Yeah, pretty giddy. Yeah, the choreographer, what the fair, but I like you, what up to the morning, you must have mine. You must get tired, I know me, choreographer. Cause you're one of my people, say, choreographer. Cause the people that share, shall not be choreographer. Cause you're one of my people, choreographer.
Yo! Shout out